Namo tassa 3 times. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Okay. Any question about Chatti Vibhakti? Yeah? Do you have anything to ask? Yes, okay. Possible, but very rare to find. It's possible. Okay, can I continue, no? Lesson 12. But okay. About locative case Sattami, in, on, at. What is the meaning of Sattami? Example, in the vihara, someone stay in one place. At that moment we use Sattami. Inside the monastery. In the book, I see this one in the book. In the book, Sattami. Okay. This one also we can divide two way, Ekavachana and Bahuvachana. The case ending a, mhi, smi is add to the stem to form the locative case singular. Plural, esu. Okay. Example, now I am going to explain. uh, Nara. Nara meaning stem form. Stem mean root of the noun. Nara. A meaning suffix. One of the suffix according to the this place only. This meaning the if you are continuously going to the different noun at that time the different suffix coming. Okay. Only this place akarant end of the are nouns only suffix a, mhi, smi. 3 suffix. This meaning 3 nouns. 3 way. Nare, naramhi, narasming. Meaning in the man or on the man. Like this. Singular. Nare, naramhi, narasming. Okay, understand? Okay, now the plural side, nara, esu. Nara plus esu, naresu. Suffix esu. Esu. Okay. Nara plus esu become naresu. Singular nare, naramhi, narasmi. Plural naresu. Again narami, narasmi. Naresu. The singular and plural, but accusative plural, Tutiya plural also nare. Sattami singular nare, but according to the sentence you have to understand what is the difference of the meaning. Okay. Please recite. Okay, recite. Dhivara. Navika. Okay. Okay. Okay, practice. Okay. Okay, practice. Naviko. Buddho. Good. Okay, if you need, write down. Huh? If you need, please write down. Do you want to write down? Okay. Okay, finish. Everybody okay? Okay, please recite. Good. Please recite. Okay, now we are going to build sentence. Sappo narassa hatte patati. Okay, this sentence, how to translate? Sappo meaning narassa. Hatte hattamhi hattasmi. Patati meaning correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? Huh? Can Sappo narassa hatte patati. The serpent falls on the hand of the man. Okay? Write down. We can say another way. Sappo narassa hattang patati. The serpent fall to the hand of the man. Okay? This meaning we can make like this. Sappo narassa hatte tittati. The serpent stay on the hand of the man. Tittati. Now, patati, tittati. Tittati meaning stay. The serpent stay on the hand of the man. Sappo narassa hatte tittati. Tittati. New words or are you already? Yeah, stand. Okay. Stand also can tittati. Tittati. Because sometime Sappo narassa hatte patati can understand the serpent fall to the hands of the man. Some misunderstand because the hatte dutiya plural also, no? At that moment the serpent falls on the to the hands of the man. Some can understand like this. This way, it's better. Sappo narassa hatte patati is okay. Sappo narassa hatte tittati. Tittati meaning stand or stay, stand. The serpent stay on the hand of the man. Usually the hold, the sattama meaning holding, something holding. The false can add, but it's better tittati. Yeah? The serpent stand on the hand of the man. Next one. Sappa naranang hatesu patanti. Naranang meaning naranang. Narana meaning. Okay, now sappa. Sappa meaning subject or object? Huh? Subject. Patanti. Verb. Kriya bahuvachana. Now you know sappa tit patanti. Sappa patanti meaning snakes fall. Snakes fall. Snake fall. Naranang hatesu. On the man's hands. This way can write down. Okay, first write down like this. The snakes fall on the hands of the men. Yeah, it can. Both they can. Now try to another way. Sappa naranang hattesu titthanti. 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 Yeah. The snake stand on the hands of the man. Stay. He hold. But useless meaning, but you have to follow the only the Pali, because if you are okay, later we are going to explain grammar with the Dhamma, because now not enough Pali grammar knowledge. Okay, after the basic grammar, then we can explain with the Dhamma. At that time, very easy to memorize according to the sutta or according to the some Pali sentence. Okay. Maccha samudde viharanti. Samudde samudammi samudasmi viharanti. Maccha, fish or fishes, fish. Viharanti. Viharanti meaning live. Where? In the ocean. Correct? Now because now we have built a small sentence, because if we add the more yeah, nouns, or we add the different vibhakti, they little bit confused. The fish live in the ocean. Fishes too can, but fish also can plural. Next one. Manava assesu nisidanti. Manava. plural. Nisidanti, plural. Manava meaning? Nisidanti meaning? Where? Assesu. Ah. Now understand, no? Sattami. Okay? Okay. Upasaka vihare nisidanti. Upasaka. Lay, devotees or laymen. Nisidanti. Sit. Where? In the vihare. In the monastery. Now, upasaka vihare nisidanti. Upasaka meaning? Nisidanti. Where? Vihare. Upasakacha, upasikacha vihare nisidanti. Usually one cha enough, but according to the Pali, for the easy to smoothly pronounce, we use two cha, but we take only one meaning. Huh? Upasakacha, upasikacha, vihare, nisidanti. Upasakacha, lay devotees. Cha meaning and. Upasikacha. Better lay men and lay women. Okay? Lay men and lay women. Sit in the monastery. Now upasika, upasaka, vihare, nisidanti. Now your meaning. Okay? Upasakacha, upasikacha, vihare, nisidanti. Huh? Okay? Okay? upasakacha upasikacha vihare pali bhasang ugganhanti. Ugganhanti. Ugganhanti meaning learn. Ugganhati, ugganhanti. Ugganhati meaning singular. Ugganhanti plural. Upasakacha lay men and lay women. Study or learn. Learn or study Pali Bhasang. The Pali language. Bhasa meaning language. Pali language in the monastery. Yeah. Okay. Pali Bhasa. But complicated. Because this is not different sound. Huh? Ukarant. Ukarant. Okay. Understand? Upasakacha, upasikacha, vihare, pali bhasan, ugganhanti. Ugganhanti. Join word. Join word. Yes. Because the Paling ugganhanti also we can say. The say Paling also Pali language. Pali Bhasang also Pali language. Pali Bhasa. No, Paling ugganhanti also we can say. Okay. Okay, understand? Next one. Upasaka vihare dhammang sunanti. Upasaka vihare dhammang sunanti. Upasaka sunanti dhammang where? First you have to find what is the subject, verb and object. Then very easy to translate to the any language. Upasaka meaning subject, sunanti verb, dhammang object. Upasaka dhammang sunanti. Then you can make the question. You can make by yourself. Where? This vihare. This meaning upasaka vihare dhammang sunanti. What is the meaning? Or lay devotees or laymen listen Dhamma in the vihare meaning in the monastery. At those who can at the monastery. Now, okay, first write down. Singapore Ratti. Okay, first write down first this one. Okay. No, already write down. Finish. Okay. Now we can add Upasaka Singapore Ratte Vihare Dhammang Sunanti. Upasaka Singapore Ratte Vihare Dhammang Sunanti. Two Sattami together coming. Upasaka Singapore Ratte Vihare Dhammang Sunanti. Meaning the laymen hear the Dhamma at the monastery in the Singapore country. Singapore Ratte meaning in the Singapore country. Ratte meaning country. Singapore, because don't have the Pali word for Singapore, no? Or Singhapura. Okay, Singapore. Sihapure. I don't know. Sihapure means Singapore. Sihapure. In the Singapore. Yeah, in the Sihapure meaning in the Singapore. Okay, you can use any word. Singapore Ratte, also in the Singapore country. Sihapure. Siha meaning lion, Pura meaning city or country. We can say Pura. Sihapure. Use Sri Lanka also language Pura. Pura have Sri Lankan the Sinhalese language. Yeah, rather Pura. Pura. Singapore. But Indonesian say Singhapura. Yeah. Singapore. Sanskrit Singapore. Singapore. The Sihapura Ratte can. Pure Ratte cannot. Sihapura Ratte can. But Sihapuri is have the meaning. No need Ratte again. Okay? Again listen. Upasaka Sihapure Vihare Dhammang Sunanti. Upasaka Sihapure Vihare Dhammang Sunanti. Okay? If you need, can add Upasaka Sihapure Pa Auk Vihare. Pa Auk Vihare Dhammang Sunanti. Upasaka Sihapure Pa Auk Vihare Dhammang Sunanti. Country. Ratte. 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 But not the masculine. No. Don't. That's why you follow only meaning. Follow only this meaning only. Okay? Upasaka Sihapure Pa Auk Vihare Dhammang Sunanti. Yes, at also can. Okay. At, in, on. Okay, next one. Luddaka avatesu oruhanti. Very simple, no? Luddaka oruhanti. Avatesu. Very easy meaning. Okay. The hunters descend into the pits. Avatesu, into the pits. Okay, into the pits. Okay, already. The sailor sleeps with his son on the bed. Now, what is the subject? What is the verb? Meaning the sailor sleeps, meaning Naviko Sayati. With whom? Where? Puttena Sadding Manche. Okay. Naviko Puttena Sadding Manche Sayati. Puttena Manche Sayati. Also can Manchasming Sayati, Manchamhi Sayati. Anyway, you can practice. Okay, next one. The messengers eat food in the houses of the virtuous men. Who is, sorry, what is the subject? What is the verb? What is the object? Please translate subject, object, verb. Duta aharang bunjanti. Now we have to understand in the houses of the virtuous men. In the houses, this where? Of the virtuous men belongs to somebody. Now belongs to somebody meaning chatti. In the houses meaning sattami. Where? Now how to translate? In the houses of the virtuous men. The virtuous men meaning plural. Sappurisanang. In the house, in the houses. Niva sesu. Meaning Dota Sappurisanang nivasesu aharang bunjanti. No, cannot. Because you always follow. Chatti always stay in. Now you see the. always I should the chat after Sattami or after Chatti we cannot put, always Chatti belongs to stay before the where. Example now, Sappurisanang Nivasesu. Nivasesu Sappurisana cannot say Pali.
We can see that in that case it means eat the sappuris, the virtuous man's food. It becomes.
Hmm?
It becomes the messengers eat the virtuous man's food in the house. If you put it that way.
Yeah, this is because Sappurisanang Ahara, no, at that time. Sappurisanang Ahara. Then Sappurisa follow the Ahara. Sappurisana Nivesanesa, Sappurisa follow Nivasa. That's why during the sentence you have to understand, because sometimes if you Sappurisa add to the keep the near the Ahara meaning, Satpurisa meaning follow with the Ahara. Sappurisanang Ahara. Then Sappurisa we put to the near Nivasa. Sappurisa meaning follow with the Nivasa. That's why it's important, na? According to this case, according to the meaning here. If they have the messenger eat virtual men's food in the houses, at that moment ahara follow the virtual man. At that time, Duta Nivasanesu Sappurisanang Aharam Bhujjanti. It's different, totally different. But you have to follow meaning. With English meaning, translate. Okay? Slowly. Understand my meaning? Understand? No? Somebody no happy. Huh? You also no happy. Oh. Okay? Okay, write down one sentence. Upasaka Aramesu. 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 Aharang. Aharang. Bunjanti. Upasaka Aramesu. Aharang. Bunjanti. What's the meaning? Arama meaning monastery. Arama also monastery, yeah? Huh? Yeah, both long. Aramesu. Yeah, but the masculine or feminine anyway Aramesu Sattami. Aramesu. Yeah, same. Aramesu. Okay. Now Upasaka Aramesu Aharang Bunjanti. Already? Now you can add one more word. Upasaka Bhupalanang. Yeah, Bhupalanang Aramesu Aharang Bunjanti. Now Bhupalanang Aramesu. This monastery belongs to somebody. Who is?
The kings.
Kings, plural. Now, Bhupalanang Aramesu. Now understand meaning? The laymen eat food in the king's monasteries. Now understand Aramesu and Bhupalanang. Aram belongs to king. Because of the reason Bhupalanang Aramesu. Aramesu Bhupalanang we cannot add. Example now. Now this sentence Upasaka Bhupalanang Aramesu Aharam Bunjan. This is a correct. This is right. But we cannot add Upasaka Aramesu Bhupalanang Aharam Bunjanti. At that time Ahara follow the Bhupalanang follow Ahara. And then different meaning. The monastery not belongs to king. Food belongs to king. Understand meaning? Everybody understand? Different? You understand? No. But according to grammar, this is can eat anyway. According to grammar, my meaning. Understand? Understand? First one, Upasaka Bhupalanang Aramesu Aharam Bunjanti. Upasaka Aharam Bunjanti. Meaning? Sorry, no. Upasaka Aharam Bunjanti. Laymen eat food. Eat the food. Where? Aramesu, in the monastery. Now monastery belongs to whom? King. This meaning Upasaka Bhupalanang Aramesu Aharang Bunjanti. This is a way. This is right. But if someone want to say food belongs to the king, not the monastery. At that time we have to change the word. The food belongs to the king, not the monastery. At that moment we have to add Upasaka Aramesu Bhupalanang Aharang Bunjanti. Now understand different? Clear? Yeah, because food belongs to the king. Okay. Little one more sentence, please write down. One more. Same. Upasaka Naranang Avasesu Bhupalanang Upasaka Naranang Aramesu sorry Aramesu. Avasu same meaning but Aramesu. Sorry. Aramesu. Yeah, Aramesu. Sorry. Avas means the cheap about is the putti. If I say about this putti, avas. Okay. Now, Upasaka Naresu Upasaka Naranang Aramesu Bhupalanang aharang bunjanti. Aharam bunjanti. Now we can see separately. Monastery belongs to somebody and food also belongs to somebody. Two group. Okay? Now understand? First, write down meaning. Upasaka aharam bunjanti. Upasaka aharam bunjanti meaning the laymen eat the food. In where? Where? Aramesu. In the monastery. Monastery belongs to Narana. This means men. Men in the men monasteries. But food also belongs to somebody. Bhupalana. That at that moment we have to add the laymen eat the king's food in the men's monasteries. And then two chatti come in, no? Two chatti together. Because one of the upasaka asked one question, two chatti can add the one sentence. Now two chatti add. Aharam dutiya. Now understand?
Okay, if you want to say that this thing belongs to the teacher's daughter, so can we say the teacher's daughter's food? The teacher's daughter's food.
Can.
So two chatti together.
Can.
One of that.
Okay, understand? Understand? Need one more example? One more example? Okay, write down. Buddho viharang Buddho viharang gacchati. Buddho viharang gacchati. Buddho meaning the Buddha goes to the monastery. Okay? Already meaning no? Okay. Okay, now little more, write down Buddho Bhupalassa viharang gacchati. Buddho Bhupalassa viharang gacchati. Now first meaning, now you know the Lord Buddha goes to the monastery. Now this time Bhupalassa viharang. This monastery belongs to somebody. King. Now we have to write down meaning. The Lord Buddha goes to the king's monastery, or the Lord Buddha goes to the monastery of the king. Understand? Okay, clear? Okay, one more. Write down Buddho Sihala Ratte. Sihela one word. Sihela. But this one, add Sihela. Okay. This Sihela ratte. Sihela ratte. Bhupalassa viharang gacchati. Okay. Now, first of all, you have to write down, you have to think meaning, subject, object, verb. Buddho viharang gacchati. The Lord Buddha goes to the monastery. Now, Bhupalassa viharang. This monastery belongs to somebody. King's monastery. Now, where? Sihala Ratte in Sri Lanka. Sihala Ratte meaning Sri Lanka. Now, try to add more meaning. Proper sentence meaning. Okay? Understand? No, Maramma Ratte, yeah? Maramma meaning Myanmar. Otherwise they're angry, huh? Copy you're talking. Maramma Ratte. Maramma meaning Myanmar. Maramma. Siam. Thailand Siam Ratte. Siam Ratte. But Maramma Ratte. Maramma Ratte means Myanmar. Maramma. But Myanmar they translate to Maramma. But before is Swarna Bhumi. Swarna Bhumi. Before in the commentary mentioned Swarna Bhumi. But now Swarna Bhumi they take the Thailand. Swarna Bhumi they say then Thailand Swarna Bhumi. But anyway in the third council time Thailand and Myanmar both two countries they use the Swarna Bhumi. Most state. Thailand. This is Swarna Bhumi. They Swarna Bhumi. Swarna Bhumi Gantwana they have the Pali poem the Sonottara to Arahatta. To Arahat. Okay? Maramma Ratte meaning in the Myanmar. Siama Ratte in Thailand. Siama. No. Siam. Siam means Thailand. Siam. Siam Ratte, Thailand Ratte. China Ratte. China means China Ratte. China. China Ratte. China means China. Our commentary has one Pali poem about the Dukulancheva Pattunam Pattan Somara Chinaja. Chinaja, the Asian time they buy the cloth from the China cloth. China Chivara. China Chivara. Because the material comes from China. Dukulancheva Pattunam Pattan Somara Chinaja Iddijan Deva Dinnancha Tassa Tassanu Lomika. They have this kind of all 12. Koma Koseya Kappasan Sana Bhangancha like this, the 6 Chivara have. After that, another have the Chinajang, the one of the material brought from China to India. They brought to India, China, the Chinajang. In the Kudusika explain in the commentary also. Vinaya commentary. China, China meaning China.
Is that good cloth?
Hmm?
Is that good cloth?
Garment.
Quality?
I think so because it's good material for the make chivara. This time also use the China cotton. Sri Lanka also China cotton, Thai cotton. Sri Lanka has a silk, no? Silk. Huh? Malaya, Malaysia. Malaysia. Malaya. Malaya. Okay, this is another enough. Okay. Now I forget the sentence also. Buddho Sihala Ratte Bhupalassa Viharang Gacchati. Okay? Please meaning. Okay. In Sri Lanka. In a Sri Lanka country only Sri Lanka enough, huh? Sri Lanka. Okay? Now understand how we add the few according different kind of cases, how we add to the sentence. Same way you have to practice. If you are free, try to make by yourself small sentence. Then you can develop your Pali knowledge. Otherwise cannot.
Can we add any more to this? Satya?
Okay. Okay, like this. Buddho Sihala Ratte. No, like this. Sorry. Buddho Savakena Saddin. Savakehi, plural. Savakehi Saddin. Savakehi Saddin. Savakehi Saddin. Sihala Ratte Bhupalassa Viharang Gacchati. Bhupalassa Viharang Gacchati. Okay, already? Gacchati. Same, but only different. Savakehi Saddin, you have to add only. Other all same. Savakehi Saddin. Okay? Savakehi Saddin. Now Savake Saddhi meaning with the disciples. With the disciples. Now you can add meaning. Savakehi meaning? Savakehi Saddhi meaning with the disciples. Now please add to sentence meaning. The Lord Buddha goes to the king's monastery in Sri Lanka with his disciples. With his disciples. Now understand how to add Pali words? Slowly. Can understand? Can? Okay, one more word. Correct one? Okay. Please add. Huh? Oh. Yeah. The okay. Now Jambu Deepamha. Jambu Deepa meaning from India. Jambu Deepa meaning Asian name. Asian name. India. India. Jambu Deepamha. From India. Now you have to add Buddho Savakehi Saddhin Jambudipamha Buddho Savakehi Saddhin. But same sentence. Savakehi Saddhin Jambudipamha. Only add. Then other one same. Sihela Ratte Bhupalassa Viharang Gacchati. Jambudipamha. Jambudipamha Panchami. From India. From India. Jambudipamha meaning from India. Huh? Jambudipamha meaning from India. Buddho Savakehi Saddhin Jambudipamha Sihalaratte Bhupalassa Viharang Gacchati. Now, please try to translate. Yeah, from India. This means the Lord Buddha goes to King's monastery in Sri Lanka with the disciple from India.
Okay, the Buddha goes from India or the disciples are from India?
Huh? But all include. Because Lord Buddha, Saddhin, no? All include. Buddha also coming with the disciple. All from India.
Because in this case, English language, where we put the from,
Okay, okay. With the disciple. Okay. Now the English sentence, the Lord Buddha goes from India with the disciple to the King's monastery in Sri Lanka. No, English sentence, but English, according English way, I don't know English. Because I used the normal way from the monastery last time, no? From the street in India. But the proper English, you have to add. Because Lord Buddha with the disciple, all came from India. All came from India. At that time, you have to add according English. Chinese, but they have to translate.
佛陀和他的弟子从印度来到斯里兰卡国王的寺院。佛陀和他的来到去到。
Now understand? Understand, no? Okay. Now, no, this meaning, you have to add the slowly, small, the different kind of vibhakti. Then you can make very long sentence, but slowly. Pali. English, do you need English? The Lord Buddha goes from the India with disciple to the king's monastery in Sri Lanka?
In Sri Lanka from
Okay? Okay? Okay, okay. Please, anyway, you try to understand your own language, but Pali like this. Okay? Pali like this. Okay? Now, this same way, you have to understand how to add the different cases to the sentence. Okay, enough, no? Okay. What is it? No, what time? 9. Already 9. Okay, please check your vocab list first. Vocab list. Okay. Please check. Recite. Issara. Issara. Paribhajaka. Paribhajaka. Maharaj. Bhava. Bhava. Sat. Sat. Sad. Sad. Amanus. Amanus. Mahamat. Mahamat. Samaya. Samaya. Pind. 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 Now meaning understand? The paribhajaka meaning wander. Actually the this one of the religion in India, paribhajaka, one of the religion, because they are always walking around the India, but they noticed in the one place. They noticed in the one place. They are always running. That's a paribhajaka. Vaja. Parivaja. There's a verb paribhajati. Paribhajati means to walk. Paribhajati verb. This is a noun paribhajaka, verb paribhajati. Paribhajati. Paribhajati means to walk. To walk, wander, to wander, wander. Okay? Paribhajaka. This is the meaning they give. And the verbs viharati. No, sorry, vivarati, vivarati. Vivarati. Vivaranti. Nachati. Nachanti. Nikkipati. Nikkipanti. Uttahati. Uttahanti. Pusati. Pusanti. Anusasati. Anusasanti. Ovadati. Ovadanti. Sangharati. Sangharanti. Asinchati. Asinchanti. Akkosati. Akkosanti. Bhindati. Bhindanti. Pivati. Pivanti. Some place pivati also have, but pivati is the always everywhere we can say pivati. Yeah? Pivati, pivanti. Tapeti. Tapenti. Now this is a vocab list. You have to practice. Then take your homework. Okay. Sorry, the because I remember Sri Lankan word, that is Jambu. Sri Lanka use the BH, but the BU, no H. Okay, sorry. Because Sri Lankan word Jambu, the BH we use. Okay, please take your lesson 12. Sattami. I can give the one example only, then you can do by yourself. Next time I will check. Sigalo luddakassa avatamhi patati. Okay. Sigalo. Sigalo meaning the jackal. Patati. Falls. Avatamhi. In the pits. Luddakassa. Now understand meaning, no? Okay. Please homework. Please do by yourself. Not so long, but some long have. But anyway, you can practice. Because now I already teach how to wait. First of all, you have to find subject, object, verb. Then, because after that you can slowly what is the other cases. Please find. Same way, English translate to Pali also, you find subject, object, verb first. Sometimes no object. Okay? Okay? Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi. Te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.